मुरली मनोहर जोशी सर का भी तो सुनिए. What has he said? A painful to see young girls being mishandled. This is such a senior leader of this country. He was an education minister of India. Why has he not said it? Sir, this is not about UPA versus NDA. This is about system versus aspirations. There is a system we unitedly want to change for the aspirations of these children. Why aren't we doing this? And committee after committee, Kothari Ayog, Yashpal Samiti, Rashtriya Nyan Ayog, this Radhakrishna Ayog, what has this government done for it? मैं मानती हूँ हमने किया ना, मैं कहाँ कह रही हूँ, आपका तो स्पीकर बोला है सब गलती हमारी है, पर उस गलती में मैं तो ठीक से पढ़ गई. और मैं जब पढ़ रही थी तब अंधेरा नहीं था, बिजली थी, गाड़ी थी, ट्रेन थी, सबसे. मैं तो बुलेट कार्ड से नहीं जाती थी सर, रास्ते भी थे, शायद आपने चौड़े किए होंगे, उसमें मेरे किसान का बेचारे का जो गया था वो भी आप लेके गए, उसका पूरा जमीन, वो तो अलग बात है, उस पर नहीं बोलूंगी आज. But what are the 3 points that your own government secretaries are saying, sir? The NTA, this is a co-founder of Radhakrishna Commission member saying, the NTA does not have too many psychometric or deep experts to set question papers. The educational testing service which conducts GRE and TOEFL has 600 researchers. What is Mr. Subramaniam, former Secretary, Department of Education, saying? The NTA has meant to be very lean organization, but in the pen and paper exam, you need 10,000 of them to run. Last 2 points, sir, only. And this is the hardest one to hit, sir. The Secretary demanding of Higher Education, I quote him, each time one loophole is fixed, another appears. That is why institutions need people with memory, expertise, and ability to learn from the failure. Those trying to rig the system are experienced too. Are you trying to tell me that you can't fix a system? There are countries, sir, there's a law exam in this country which is taken countrywide. Aaj tak public service, sir, aapka exam, aap khud police rahe. How come government exams don't get then fixed? And you're trying to tell me that the crooks are better than the government system in this country? Kya baat kar rahe? This is an education secretary talking. Sir, and after Jantar Mantar, have you all not seen the pain of the mothers, the children? I request the government, ek inquiry lagaiye. Why don't you make an SIT and find out who really gave the orders and what went wrong that day? Sir, let there be an inquiry and let it be transparent, fair. I'm not saying who did it, who gave the order. ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ. ये फिर इस देश में ना हो, इसलिए we have to do it. Those sites were horrific, sir. No India, and it's not just about India. It as a parent I'm talking. Every child that I know wanted to come to Delhi and support Jantar Mantar. Children were sleeping on the streets. और कोई यहाँ से कह रहा है कि foreign हाथ है. Children are making memes, sir. ये समोसा चाइना के पैसे से आया है. ये चाय पाकिस्तान के पैसे से आया. वो सब नहीं चलने वाला. Those days are over, sir. Like Tejasvi Surya said, these kids are very, very smart. There's a meme that is also going on, sir. I have so many memes. There's one beautiful girl from Maharashtra called Ahire. Ahir, her name is. She was standing in front of the police alone. Look at the courage of that girl. She was standing alone in front of the bus to stop the bus. It's an iconic photograph, sir. It makes you feel so proud that जिस लड़की को हमने पढ़ाया ना, उसको ना बोलने की ताकत जो देनी चाहिए ना, उस लड़की में है.
अब पुलिस उसको बुला रही है.
और पुलिस उसको बोल रही है नहीं छोड़ दो. Another small incident I'll tell you what the police has done, which has disturbed me as a parent. 50 grams. The children were all arrested and were taken to the police station. And the policeman is telling the children, तुम ज्यादा मत बोलना. अगर ज्यादा बोलोगे तो 50 ग्राम पाउडर डाल दूंगा और तुम्हारा लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगा. What is this, sir? Should we not, as there are parents on that side, these are parents, किसी के बच्चे के साथ ये हो सकता है. सिर्फ मेरे बच्चे नहीं, आप हमारे सबके घर में बच्चे हैं. So we really need to put our minds to it, sir, and find out that how can we fix this issue. It's not about UPA versus NDA. I repeat, sir, it is system versus aspiration. So I request this government to take this matter seriously. Two demands I have asked on behalf of our party. If you really want to see this system, form a JPC. Let's all put our minds together, call every stakeholder and come up with a bill which is leak-proof completely. That's one suggestion. Let them call a all-party meeting. Sabka sujhav. We are on the same side as you. Why are you looking at us as enemies when it comes to education? Just because we're in a democratic system, we are not your enemies. We are friends. We are on the same side in the larger interest. And the second is to ask for a detailed inquiry about what happened all over India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, wherever every child is hit. We want answers for it. And I hope Rajnath Singh ji is one of the tallest leaders in Indian politics today. I'm blessed that he was here. With folded hands, I request him, Rajnath ji, please kuch kariye.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable Minister Rajnath Singh ji, आपका नाम लिया गया।